Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical parts in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the circle from origin to circle draw. Give the dimension circle 60 and this circle dimension 30. Draw the another two circle here and give the dimension this circle 60 and this circle dimension 30. This point and this point distance 100. Okay, select. Now go to this point and this point, draw the line and this point, draw the line. Select. This line vertical and this point connect. Draw the line another here. This point and this point distance dimension 50. Okay, now select. Now go to feature and extrude. This circle select and this circle. Give the dimension from mid plane. Now here select. Again extrude. This is from mid plane. Give the value 80. Okay. Now go to here, sketch, extrude. Now select this. Give the value 20. Okay. Now go to sketch, extrude. Now select here and here. Give the value 60. 60 or 50 as you wish. Give the 50. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Draw the rectangle here. Select. Now this line and this line 10. This line and this line dimension 10. Now this line and this line dimension 10. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now select here through all. Okay. Now go to here plain white and go to isometric view. Now I am going to here select fillet. Give the value to select here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select hair shaded. Now I am going to give the color. Okay. Now go to, I am going to make another job now. Now go to again new plane part. Okay. Now go to select top plane and sketch. Now draw the hair rectangle. Give the dimension rectangle. This line dimension 88 and this line dimension below. This line dimension below. As your wish, I am going to 48 plus 20 plus 15, 83. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now select here 75. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch here. Here. Now give the below this line and this line dimension 15. This line dimension 20. This line and this line dimension 50. This line dimension 20. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here select card, blind, give the below 15. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Select. Now this line dimension 53 and this line dimension 20. Okay. Now this line dimension 43. 43 or 38. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now select here surface face plane. Now select here blind sketch direction change 35 value. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now this face and sketch. Draw the rectangle here. Select. Now this line dimension 38 and this line dimension 25. Select. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude card. Now here give the value 48. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Now go to here select plain white. Now go to select shaded tools. Give the color. Select here. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.